Latest social media updates. ChatGPT rolls out voice and image prompts. Wix adds IndexNow support for faster indexing. WhatsApp rolls out new feature, who can add members to community chats. WhatsApp beta for Android gets passkey feature for account verification. Spotify tests voice translation feature for podcasts. Shopify adds audiences integrations for more segmentation. Microsoft signs deal to serve sponsored links in Snapchat's My AI. Facebook is rolling out AI characters with dated personalities to lure Gen Z. Bing Chat rolling out personalized answers. Google rolls out automatically created assets to all advertisers. Bing adds controls for webmasters to disallow their content in Bing Chat. YouTube launches AI-enabled editing app, YouTube Create. WhatsApp introduces Flows to empower businesses in India. Hulu to add 171 new titles in October 2023. Telegram adds new features including reaction stickers, music in stories, and more. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.